Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to access cPanel MySQL databases. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your cPanel and then go to database section, and inside of this database section you will find MySQL databases. So click on it and scroll down, and then here you will find your all the databases, and from here you can delete users, you can change the rename, also you can delete any database from here. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.